bag nato sa katong ginahimo lang fish pencil. Sir, let me introduce to you the guys who designed all of this. Pwede na ma-clear. Nagahatag sa oxygen so you can intake.
Then the anila rito, ito na, it's not even better, but this will grow up to about 2 feet here.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic. Once again, thank you, Mayor Abonado. Let us call Mayor
Na innovation natin and I have been asking myself why 6 days after
Secretary Piñol. Tapos Department of Agriculture.
Gagolp na si Mayor Piñor or the so. But I tried, but earlier, I guess, ko yun ang gano'n na istorya.
Madilim, tunay na